What is up, guys? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with a good morning miners update. Well, more like good afternoon, right? So, sorry, I've been super busy trying to get last minute details like squared away for a trip that I have to do. Then I have another trip after that. So I'm like trying to scramble through some stuff, dealing with all of that. But I wanted to make sure that I went ahead and got this video out to you guys before I end up actually leaving. So today will be a jam-packed day for me. I got a bunch of stuff to do, plus I'm going to jam 3 videos into that, try to get them all recorded by the end of the day, and get those set to upload for the rest of the week. So shout out to all of you guys. I hope you enjoy yourselves while I am away working. Stay FA, right? Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you do know when those videos come out. I would greatly appreciate it, and make sure you share them with anybody, somebody on social media. Give them a retweet on the good old X, and I would appreciate that. So today, guys, we're just going to give a little mining update, plan updates, things that I'm doing currently right now, as well as things that we're looking forward to here in the future, as well as some warnings, right? Checking out right here, guys, as you can see, the market is like booming this morning. So out freaking standing that, and super cool to see. I do want to mention, while we're talking about things booming, if you were claiming your win tokens from like the Orvals and the Solana airdrop from not Phantom, Jupiter, it is over, right? So currently that is over. So 3 days ago that started. Now, as of right now, it is no longer available to claim, and they have officially burned all of the unclaimed win, which has reduced the supply by 30%. The market's like doing this right now because I'm sure people are mad, right? So do be aware of that. There is no more claiming, so don't click any fishy links saying that, hey, you can claim your airdrop here, etc. Don't do it. It is false. There is no more airdrops, and all tokens that were unclaimed have been burned. So do keep that in mind, right? While we're also talking about like things to watch out for, I can't find any tweets about it anymore, but people were mentioning it to me on my last Saturday's live stream. There was a rumored superscalar K30 out and about, and it was from a superscalar.org website. That is a fake website. Do not click it. It is false. Do not try that website. Do not buy it. Please don't. To my honest personal opinion, I wouldn't even buy a K10, to be completely honest. I've messed with one in the past. It was straight out of the box. It was working great. I've messed with a couple here the past couple of days, and I'm displeased with the entire experience, to be completely honest. It's not straightforward. The tools are clunky. Someone bought 2 from the same batch, and they're 2 different models, 2 different chip numbers. So you can't interchange the bit streams. They sent one file with 1 bit stream. Doesn't work for both, so I had to email them and get the other one. Long story. I wouldn't buy one personally. They are very profitable, but I don't know. If Superscalar bails out, the likeliness of your stuff just being a brick is very high. Ospreys, you can at least SSH into them, so you can control them outside of the Osprey dashboard. You can just control them. Now that would require you to buy individual JTAG licenses to control the voltage for all 3, so that's an extra $25 a board. So would it be cost effective and more difficult? That's up to you and your cost level and your knowledge base, right? The dashboard for Osprey just makes things super easy. I mean, of course, I recommend them because they have been fantastic to me, and I've had no issues with them. And if you do get one, there I do have coupon codes down in the description below. You can check that out. Click the link, and then you can input the code depending upon which device you are actually getting. They will be adding, supposedly, a E100 VU33P model, so you'll be able to get the same model that I currently have myself, which would put it probably at a lower price point. I would assume maybe around 1,200 bucks or so, maybe close to 1,000. I'm not really sure, but that's like my good guess. It would be around that, like that ballpark, but we don't know. Of course, I do have like a BCU that I do have, but I'm having issues keeping it cool, even with it being water blocked. Having issues like with the whole system in itself, not just like the BCU. It's mainly the system, and I know that I can't go as low as voltage as normal. I have to kind of go mid voltage, otherwise it starts crashing. So I'm pretty sure my voltage regulator is like kind of going out on my VU9P BCU, like 1525. So I might just go ahead and send it in, have it reballed into a E100 VU9P, which is basically the BCU 1525. So that would be pretty great. The big benefit to that is I think it would be the same chip, right? So it would be reballed onto a new board. So it's the fact that the DNA numbers should remain the same. So I already own next JTAG license for that, so I wouldn't have to buy another one, and I would be able to like do stuff with it out of the box, which would be kind of interesting, and interesting to see how that would actually work, and would be some cool content to share. So FA to that, and put your comments down below if you would like to see something like that. So because they did raise their price of this, I don't know if they'll cut me a deal for this. They might, but I'm not expecting them to. So it'd be $450 to reball plus $210 for the shell and the zinc control board. Of course, the mining board is not included, so I would have to send in my BCU. They would reball it because I know the chip is good. It's just the actual board itself. So we'll see. I know that you can run them both on the same control board, but I think it would be better off just to run it with separate shells. So yeah, that's kind of my plan and my thoughts. I do know that the Alphium bitstream for the E300s is coming soon for the Osprey devices. I don't know how soon, but I know very soon. That's about all I got for you on that note, right? So FA to that. While we're talking about FPGAs, I have not hit a block as it refreshes just now. No block. I am most likely just going to go ahead and take the L and stop solo mining since it's so close to the halving. Plus, I'll probably stay on until the Alphium bitstream comes out, I would assume. It's my thoughts. And I'll kind of see how that plays out. But I might stay after, right? Because majority of the E300s might actually move that direction if they're mining for like most quantity of radiant, or if they're actually mining for profit, which would be either the ironfish. So we'll kind of see how that goes in the next coming days and make that plan accordingly, right? So if that does happen and the net hash does drop, I will just stay put. If the net hash does not drop and the net hash continues to increase like we think it is because potential radiant ASICs, then it's probably our best bet to just go ahead and hop off and just go ahead and take a loss from mining over the last month, solo mining radiant. So it's kind of a bummer. I would have liked to hit a radiant block at least just one time, but I don't think we're gonna get that. Yeah, bit of a bummer, but oh well, it is what it is. We shall pivot accordingly. interesting to see how that's going to pan out. I hope that we hit a block before that happens, quite personally, because I would hate for it to be like absolutely for nothing. But here we are. We tried our best and we have not hit a block. Alright, we have only hit, I think, one solo block of Neoxa at the moment. Yes, that is correct. We've only hit one Neoxa block currently with the amount. We have a good amount of solo effort, rocking around 187 mega hashes, but no more blocks as of 5 days ago. So we're probably going to hop off of that as well and go back to pool mining, because I've missed out on way more than 2,000 Neoxa at this current moment with this rig. So probably going to hop off of that and then go back to pool mining on the on Neoxa. So bummer, our luck isn't as great, apparently. Personal luck, like physical luck, I don't know. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your week. Hope you all have a good rest of your day. I will see you all in the next one, guys. I will catch you all the rest of this week. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you know when we go live and or post videos. I'd greatly appreciate it. We may not have a Saturday morning stream because I might actually be traveling home. So stay tuned for that. Kind of playing that one by ear. And we'll see y'all next time. Peace.